with my new fire alarm setup system. Just to put a setup, this is my control panel. This battery is dead, does not work. My new battery I just got today. My horn. You guys are wondering, this must have cost a fortune. $3 for this whole $3 for the horn, strobe, and this dead battery. And also this cute kind of door setup with the door alarm right here. That one doesn't work. I'm gonna take this apart, but $3 for the set right here. Everything plus the wires and the soft wires down there. This costs another $6 in the battery, but it works like a charm. I'll show you. We have the on. That's what sends those to test. That is a test tube. Here's what it sounds like. So this is my strobe thing. I'll show you what it sounds like. So it goes louder. You guys can see there's key for door. This one right here. Burglar alarm. I hooked it on fire because it's my fire alarm. And then siren, because that's what goes to this. In the future, all this might be on the walls. Hooked up to my. This is my control panel. Hooked up to, like, I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's on. On. Touch those two, they go off. I don't want to do it. I found a way. If you cover the noise by putting a plate on top. Change a little bit. Now we can try it now. On. Reset the system. This, you guys can see what you can buy it from. Master Law Company. My alarm itself is called LXB for Levi's. I don't know. I just thought up a little catchy word. Levi. LAC. Levi's Alarm Company. And now you guys see this catches. Even though it ain't on, you guys can see it's off. If these touch, they still will go off. But once the alarm goes off, you can press the reset button down there. We're going to have to unmount this soon. This battery, and this one's going to go in there. Oh wait, no, it actually won't, because that was going to go in there when we get done. I don't know why it came gold. I wish it came black, but it would be nice when I get this thing set up. Let's see. Reset is actually the test key, and on just turns those things power. So you guys can see it set up. These two batteries, things right here, run into there, the control panel. I can actually set the thing as burglar or key. They won't make any different sound, just depends. The wires go. I don't know why it came with a lot of dirt. So you guys, even though it's off, I'll put the plate back on because it's loud. Even though it's off, you guys can see. Off. So you guys can see. Test. It's off. It's on. That's on. That's on. That's off. Touch these two. And how this works is that these are supposed to go on the door. So when the door opens. But the main part of this, I'm gonna put a fire alarm thing here. I put like if fire, open door, or if fire. We're gonna have to do the wiring. So these, I'm gonna wired somewhere. Like if fire, do this. We're gonna wire this into a taco switch, and then we're gonna mount that into here. About like we're gonna put that there and get a thing over it. It says if fire, flip switch. Just one more time. If it's on, it doesn't really do anything. That just makes every one of these go on. It doesn't really do anything. That is my main fire alarm system. Plan for power. Lantern off. Pile power lantern. 6 volts is a really good amount. Let's keep these things on a lot. This is the control panel itself. Wired into it. This was supposed to be like a little test thing, demo, but we're gonna turn this thing into real. So they're gonna go on. Three, two, you guys. 3, 2. So yeah. I think I already have 2 of these videos on the video. Kind of make another one in a minute. The back room. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hit the subscription bell down below. Thanks for watching.